Hello everyone, this is Kazi, Sofiul lead generation expert. In this video, I am going to show you a lead generation live project. So, if you want to learn lead generation, so you have to continue my video. Please don't skip this video. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like my video and my tutorial, please give a like button and share your comment. I respect your valuable comment. Let's start the project. This is a project about lead generation. My client told me find the C-level from that company. So which information I have to collect? For C-level contact person, I have to collect that name, title, email, LinkedIn. Every company I have to collect 2 person. So I have to use for this project different type of tools and extension. In this video description you will find all the tools. So if you want to use the tools, please use the tools and you can get some discount, and you can, if you purchase, you can get some discount. Let's start the project. For start the project, you see here organization name, industry, LinkedIn, description and industry. Okay, fine. This is not industries. Okay, fine. So I have to go that company LinkedIn profile. This is a very simple project, so you can easily learn the lead generation project. After this video, I am making a long-term lead generation tutorial part by part. So please continue my YouTube channel. You will learn lead generation, and I hope you will be a 100% lead generation expert. So this is the first company, Fuse Energy. So I have to collect their C-level. So how can I found that people? So I have to go the LinkedIn page people. You don't need to use sales navigator, okay, for this project. So C-level mean what? C-level means CEO, CTO, COO, owner, CFO. It is a C-level title. So you can see here I found a C-level title, founder or CEO. So I can take this title. I am opening a new tab. So I have to collect another C-level. If they have a C-level, I will collect. If they not have that C-level person, so I will collect their top level person. I am checking their C-level another person. Here I am finding head of finance. I think head of finance, CFO is the similar title, so I can take him. Okay, I got this person. Okay, I got this person. She is the founder that company. So I have to collect this person email. So easily first we will try that extension. This is this name Apollo. In this video description have Apollo link. So if you click there, and you will go to their Apollo website, and you can purchase their package. If you purchase their package, you can get some discount if that have any offer, or if you purchase that Apollo credit, and this is the low price credit, and this is the best extension I have ever seen, because of Apollo you can easily operate the Apollo extension. So if I click here access email address, I'll see their email. Oh no, there is no email address in Apollo. Okay, every email address not found in this, every extension. This is a simple matter. So I'll try another way. Which way I can try? I can try contact out. I have another tools in contact out. Oh, okay, I found another title, another email address, personal email address from their contact out extension. You can try this contact out extension. So I can put this email in email column. So I have to collect another information, look like LinkedIn, his name, and I have to collect his name and his title. This is the title. Okay, fine. So first on leads collect completed. After collect all information, I will verify all their person email. Is that email valid or invalid? So this is another person. Okay, I am trying to collect that person email. Okay, here you can see there is a green mark, and there is a green mark, and you can see I found this person email. So I found this person email from Apollo, so I can put email address there. Then I'll go to collect for their LinkedIn. Here another his name and his title, head of finance. This two leads is collect completed. Okay, let's talk about this project budget. You have to know, you need to know about this project. This project is about, you see, 344 USD. It's a lot. So 344 USD this project. This I earned this amount from within 7 days. I completed this project. This is a simple project. Anyone can complete this project easily. So if you watch this video full, and you can learn how to collect these types of lead generation. Okay, I have to, first company is completed, I have to go another company. So I'll remove or delete previous company leads. So this is Earth Grid PVC. Yes, one thing, sometimes the client will give you the company list, sometimes they never give you company list. If they don't give you company list, you have to collect it. So I have to go first people. Some person are worried about the sales navigator. If you don't sales navigator, this is not a problem. If you don't have sales navigator, you are able to collect leads from the LinkedIn. Okay, I am here, this company. Okay, there is lots of employee. I have to I found one person, chief operating officer, so I can take him. And okay, I'll check another person, anyone here in CEO, founder. I found investor is okay. I found another, he's not the person. Okay, first for few people profile I want to visit, then I'll be sure who is the CEO or owner or any C-level title. Okay, director of labor operation, this is not the targeted person. I'm checking another investor. Okay, I'm not taking the investor, I'll try to find another person. Okay, executive, mechanical, private, project. Okay, vice president, operating. Okay, let's check this title. Private, no, this is not the targeted person. So we can try, we can go to their website. I hope I will find their CEO or owner or team if have their information in their website. I'm trying to find their information from website. Let's okay, they have a team. Okay, here I got the CEO LinkedIn profile. You see, co-founder, CEO. Okay, all information have their website. So why I take other title? Okay, so CEO, co-founder, CTO have available their website. Okay, let's try to find this persons. He is the CEO and founder. So why I will go another. Okay, let's try to Apollo first. Have any email in Apollo? Yes, there is an Apollo email, and I'm going to another person. Have any email address? Yes, both have the email address, so I'll take that person. Okay, first I will take the CEO email. CEO email, and that taking the name, then taking the title. Sometimes some title have in there but I am taking title from the end, and last one I'll taking the LinkedIn URL. If you have any confusion, if you have any question, please ask me or comment there, comment my video, and I will reply you. So I'm going to collect his business email. Always prefer all the client prefer business email. If you want to hire me, please contact with me through LinkedIn. In video description I share my LinkedIn account, so you can easily reach me there. And I have a good team for lead generation work. I have been working last 5 years in lead generation sector. So if you need any support for lead generation, I am able to give you all types of support. So which information I have to collect then? Title and LinkedIn URL. LinkedIn. That title, Chief Operating Officer. So to C-level title I found already. I completed this project already. Here is the completed project. You see there is a lots of data, and I work with my team. Okay. Look, here is some invalid email. I removed them, and this all green color. I found some invalid email there, and I replaced there. That's why I marked that email address green. So here is a lots of leads I collect for this buyer. So if you want to hire me or if you need any support, you can contact with me. Please check my video description. Okay, last one thing I want to share with you. In video description there is I shared with you some email finding tools and extension you can use from there. And now I am going to verify that email. Okay, from where I will verify it. So I will verify that email never bounce and Sonop. I mean, basically I sometimes use the Sonop, because Sonop is good for verify and find email. Sonop is a good tool, so I want to share with you, because if you want to find email from website, if you want to find email from LinkedIn, if you want to find if you want to verify email address, you can use easily. Okay, here is the verification part. So if I go to the email, if I submit here, verify, it's take a few seconds. Let's check the email verification. Yes, okay, it's work, and I'm taking another email. Okay, this email is green color and this email is valid. Okay, I'm checking another email. Let's take another email, and this email not verified, so I have to replace it. Look, this email is not verified, and this is look like it's a catch-all. Catch-all mean sometimes this catch-all email work well, and some catch-all email not work well. So I don't take this type of catch-all email. I'm checking another email. Okay, it's working, and I'm taking another email. This is good. This is good, because look, I'm taking this email from Apollo, so you can use Apollo from my description. I'm checking another one. Okay, after checking the all email, from the 4 email I found one email is catch-all, not invalid. This is catch-all, and another 3 email is 100% valid. So you can use this Apollo without any doubt. For using Apollo, what you have to do, you have to go to the video. Look, go to the video and go to the description. You will see here is the Sonov, here is the SalesQL, here is the Apollo, here is the Octopus. Octopus is for web scraping. Here is the Sonov. So you can use email you can use this extension from here. If you click here, you can go to their that website. If you click here, you can go to their website. This all are my affiliate link. If you click here and purchase any types of extension package, I'll get some commission. So please click here and purchase some tools if you need. If you want to hire me, or if you want to contact with me, here is my LinkedIn account. Please give me a connection request or give me a direct message. Thank you so much for watching my video. I am so happy making a video for you. If this video is helpful for you, Please share this video if you like and comment here. Thank you.